What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making garlic Parmesan fries. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need russet potatoes, garlic, parsley, Parmesan cheese, butter, salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and cornstarch. Begin by cutting the potatoes into strips. Place fries in the ice bath for 30 minutes. Shred Parmesan cheese. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. Finally, chop some parsley. Now we're going to make our garlic butter. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Add minced garlic. Season with salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Add a handful of Parmesan cheese. Add a handful of parsley and mix. Parboil fries in salted water for 4 minutes. After boiling, pat fries dry. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and shake until evenly coated. Heat oil to 250 degrees and flash fry fries for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove fries and raise the heat of the oil to 350 degrees. Add the fries back in and fry until golden brown. In a bowl, add fries and season with salt. Add garlic butter and coat evenly. And there you have it, garlic Parmesan fries. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.